Previously on Projects and Problems.
It's going in, probably shouldn't be in this place.
Rocker panel, that's about to break off. There it is right there. Yeah, I am laying on the floor. Let's fix the headlight switch. Oh my gosh, everything just went out. Took me a second to actually find the hole. Pause. Grab the new switch, compare it to the old switch. There we go. Hey, Project fam, you see it. You know what I'm about to do. What is that? I'm gonna break out the pressure washer and do something a little special. So, you know it's bad when I get a call from my sister telling me that these mats are absolutely atrocious. Like, they just don't match anything. Now, the mats actually have a lot of value because the company that was licensed to make the Porsche Mats back in the day, well, they can't make it anymore. So these mats are somewhat classic, which means I am going to get them cleaned up and I'm going to see if somebody else wants to buy it. I didn't spend a lot of time this summer, this season, washing my cars. If you know me, there's 3 things that I did every weekend. 1, play in the garden. 2, wash cars. And number 3, mow the lawn. Well, I had to go up on the top shelf and get some carpet cleaner because I'm going to get these carpets clean. The cleaner they are, the more money I'll be able to get for them. I am going to put them on eBay. So these mats have a printed Carrera 4S on the mat, which is rare in itself. As I'm spraying this carpet cleaner, and I'm really spraying a lot of carpet cleaner on here because I am going to pressure wash this off. If I was just going to brush and clean this, I would not be putting near as much carpet cleaner, but I want these mats clean because they need to fetch a real price. Carrera 4S imprinted on the mats. I have not seen this anywhere on the web. This is a company called Lloyd's who made a lot of mats, and in a perfect world I wanted the exact same mat, maybe in black with the words Carrera 4S in white, but I can't make it. I can't get it. So I'm just going to spend my time. I'm going to clean these up. And oh yeah, by the way, so I did buy some mats. I bought some mats. I'm going to unveil them in about maybe another 2 or 3 minutes. But this is me using the wrong type of brush to scrub these mats. It really doesn't matter what kind of brush it is because this is a curved tire brush. As long as I'm able to agitate a lot of the dirt and I can pressure wash that dirt out of there. I mean, that's the most important thing. You better believe the more time I spend scrubbing these mats, the better off they're going to be. That's right. Scrub-a-dub-dub. These mats are going to get a good price. And by the way, I went on the top shelf and I got my best carpet cleaning solution. Like, this carpet cleaning solution does a really good job of getting the dirtiest carpets clean. Ho, 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 ho. Turn that down. Oh, that's just ridiculous. All right. Sorry about that, guys. So here we go. Take my time and pressure wash these mats. And full disclosure, this video was shot 2 weeks ago. As a matter of fact, this video was shot right before I bought the battery. So I bought a new battery because I got tired of trying to trickle charge a battery that just was shot and kind of couldn't be trickle charged anymore. So you can see there's the soap. As a matter of fact, let's get it close up. It's been a long time since I actually did a cleaning video. So although I haven't done a cleaning video in a long time, that does not mean I don't break out the foam cannon and get these cars clean on a regular. But it's been raining like every weekend. So it takes a lot of like the fun out of cleaning when you know it's going to rain the next day. But right now, if I look at the forecast, I think we have a couple of good days of weather. So I am at the very least going to rinse the car off and take care of these mats. That's my focus today. I love as you pressure washing this mat, you can see how the dirt just kind of gets pushed out. Nice even strokes. Look at that. Look how clean that is. And that is maybe 50% foam, so that's why it's white, and maybe 50% clean. By the time I'm finished cleaning it, it'll be totally clean, like all clean. Pushing out all the dirt. Take your time. These mats are gonna fetch a good price. Especially around the stitching. This mat is actually in very good shape. Very good shape. Look at it. That's clean. All right, let's turn off that pressure washer and see what we have. Oh boy, I'm breaking out the mats. These are the mats that I found. They look awesome. So I know I said that I wanted Carrera 4S to be imprinted in the mats. Well, I didn't find that, but what I did find was mats that actually had Porsche 911. Yeah, this is packaged really nicely. Porsche 911 printed. So here I am unwrapping these mats, and I am going to possibly wash. Oh, that's a good quality. That's a good quality mat. So why am I smelling the mat? I don't know. Looks really good. And as I put it down, I realize there's a problem. The problem is the mats on the right are different shapes. So that mat to the far right is the passenger mat. And that little indentation you see on the top mat, well, it doesn't exist on the bottom. That is the indentation for Bose stereo option that I have on the car. Obviously, I didn't know that before, but as you can tell, man, I'm so pissed because it's very rare to find these mats. And again, this is also made by that company, Lloyd's, that is no longer licensed to print Porsche mats again. So what am I going to do? Either I keep the mat or do I cut it? Like, I have no idea what I'm going to do at this moment. All I know is that I'm really pissed because I thought I found the perfect mat to replace the ugly mats. All right, I got a plan. Let me put the mat inside the car and see what that looks like. Maybe it'll just kind of ridiculous. Maybe it won't be so bad, right? I mean, that's possible. All right, so let's put the mat in, see what it looks like, and kind of tuck it. Give it a good tuck. And okay, all right. Let me just double check and make sure that the driver's side mat, which has the right shape, let's see how that looks. Okay, well, it doesn't look bad, but you know, at the end of the day, it's not right. It's not right. I gotta send it back. That's a shame because there's no others currently on the market just like it, and I have to send it back. I mean, could this day be any worse right now? Like, really? Oh, come on, battery. Are you serious? It died again. I can't believe it died again. All right, stay tuned till next time. Thank you all for watching.